Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on ubereats. Let's dive right into the video. And then first open up the ubereats app and log into your account, if you already have one. Once you're logged in, it's time to place an order. So go ahead and select the items you want and proceed to the checkout page. And now I'm going to demonstrate by choosing a random item. Let's say I select this item here. Perfect. Add it to your basket and continue to the next step. Make sure to review your basket and make any adjustments if necessary. And when you reach the checkout page, you'll find the payment section. Here's what we need to focus on. Under the payment options, click on Payments. And you'll see all your current payment methods. And if you want to add cash as your payment method, simply click on Add Payment Method HF. From the available options, select Cash. After that, click on Next to proceed. Now, complete your order and wait for it to arrive. When the delivery person arrives, you can pay for your order with cash. It's important to note that this cash payment option is not available in all regions. Specifically, it's only available in certain countries like Australia, Brazil, India, and a few others. We hope this video has provided you with helpful information. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching.